Hello everyone, let's take a sheet of paper and cut it out into small pieces and fold it like this as shown in the video. Just like this, you have to follow each step. Now take another paper and roll the strips that we made earlier and stick the one end. Now take another sheet and fold it like this as shown in the video and make one big strip. Now let's take another sheet of fake paper and fold it like this as shown in the video. You have to twist it like this and fold it like this. Just like this, and insert the strips that we made earlier. We have made a gun. Now take a sheet of paper and fold it like this as shown in the video. Just like this, you have to follow each and every step that is shown in the video. Do not miss any of these steps. Watch the video very carefully. Like this, you have to fold it and you will see we are making something really interesting. Take another strip and fold it like this to make it like this. Just like this, we have added the strip. Now make the eyes. So let's take a piece of paper and add the white and green strip to the sides. Make the seeds like this. Now fold it like this as shown in the video to make a zigzag pattern and stick the side like this. Make more to make this kind of structure. Now add the two ice cream sticks. Now we'll make the body of the watermelon like this using a green paper. You have to make such kind of structure and cover it using watermelon. Now take a cardboard, trace out the circles on it and cut those circles out like this. Now with the help of glue gun, stick those circles together. Now stick a sheet covering the sides of those circles, making it smooth. Now add another sheet onto the circle. Now add some eyes. We have made a pen topper. Now take a sheet and fold it like this as shown in the video. You have to just follow each and every step and do not miss any of these steps. Just fold it like this in a very neat and clean manner. Just like this, you have to fold it and follow the process very carefully. Watch the video very carefully to make it very easily. Just like this, we have folded it and we have made a crown out of it. Wow! Now take a paper and fold it like this as shown in the video and stick it somewhat like this. Now fold it as shown in the video and follow each and every step. Do not miss any of these steps to make an envelope out of it. We have also made the flip for this envelope like this and even the handle. Now let's take a paper and fold it like this as shown in the video. You just have to follow the process and focus on each and every step. Do not miss any of these steps. You have to do like this and you will see two boxes are ready. Now take another sheet and fold it like this as shown in the video. Just like this, you have to do it. Just follow the process, complete each and every step, and the gift box is ready. Thanks for watching.